Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your game won't launch or start using your Xbox Series X or S. So the first thing we want to do is press the Xbox button and then go to My Games and Apps and then go to See All. So if we are having an issue with game, let's go down to Manage and then go to Updates. Maybe there's an update for that game, and when you try starting it, it won't launch because of that. So just come to this section and update your games manually under here. And once you have it updated, hopefully it will actually work. And it should be under the queue, and you can see the download for it. Now, if that's not the reason why your game's not working, what we want to do is go over the game, and we could try deleting it off our Xbox hard drive. So we got like this asphalt something. Let's go to uninstall and then go back over to your full library. This will be all the games on your account, and you can find it under here, and you can re-download it to your Xbox now. Now, if this isn't the issue, go over to the game and press options on it, and we can go to where it says manage games and add-ons. So you can see Destiny 2 actually needs an update. Let's go to manage games and add-ons, and we can see the game under here. We could try maybe just delete a section of the game. Maybe if there's multiple DLCs or something, we could just delete that from here, all these different add-ons, and then just re-download it later. You can see the updates on here, and then the save data. We could try deleting the save data, but just a heads up, this may delete your campaign progress. If it is only online game like Destiny 2, this won't delete my progress. If it's like Grand Theft Auto or Minecraft, this will delete your single player progress. So if you have this backed up to the cloud, won't be an issue. You can just re-download it again in the future. But I don't have Xbox Game Pass right now, so I'm not going to touch that. So what we could do now is we can press the Xbox button, go home, go up the top and go to settings, going down to system and go to the right and go to console info, and then go to reset Xbox. Now, if you go to the first option, it says reset and remove everything. This is going to delete all the data off your Xbox. Don't do this unless you want to completely remove everything. This is like a last resort. Otherwise, go to reset and keep my games and apps. The middle option. This will require you to log back in with your email address and password. Maybe there is some sort of account issue that is going on with your Xbox, and it needs to be synced and updated. Go to this option. It should reset all your settings, and hopefully that would make it work as well. So this is a good option. Only take about 5 minutes. Now, if you are downloading something, just a heads up, you'll probably need twice the amount of storage space. So we want to go on down to system and then go to the right and go to storage devices and make sure we have double the amount of space. Like Call of Duty, for example, when you're downloading Warzone, it copies everything over and overwrites it. So if we got like 200 gigabytes for that game, we need 400 gigabytes of free space. So find your games under here and just delete it. So you can see I only have 119 gigabytes free. If I want to play a game, maybe like 60 gigabytes, I need to get 1 more gigabyte of free space. So just a heads up. And then we can uninstall something under here. So I'm not going to be playing Call of Duty anymore. Looks like I already got it removed, or I need to go to Manage Games and Apps and remove it under here. And then I should be able to delete it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.